Welcome back to our Audacity tutorial series. This is Lesson 4, where we dive into the essential world of basic editing. Today we're focusing on the fundamental tools of cutting and copying audio, which are crucial for any editing project. We're going to learn how to surgically edit your audio, making precise cuts and copies, so you can edit like a pro. The first step in any editing process is selecting the audio range you want to manipulate. In Audacity, the simplest way to select a range is by holding the Shift key while dragging your mouse across the desired section of the waveform. This technique allows you to quickly isolate the audio segment you need to cut or copy with ease. Once you have your selection, the most common action is to cut out unwanted parts. To cut the selected audio, use the shortcut Ctrl+X on Windows or Command+X on Mac. This removes the audio from the track and places it on your clipboard. Remember that a standard cut leaves a gap in your audio track, shifting the later parts to the left to maintain their relative position. Beyond just cutting, you'll often need to copy and paste sections to repeat phrases or move sounds. To copy the selected audio without removing it from its original location, use Ctrl+C or Command+C, placing the audio on the clipboard. Then, move your cursor to where you want the copied audio to begin, and press Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste it into the track. Audacity also offers a powerful feature called Ripple Delete, which speeds up the editing process significantly. Ripple Delete removes the selected audio and automatically shifts all subsequent audio content to the left to close the gap, maintaining a continuous timeline. To recap, mastering cut, copy, and paste is essential for basic audio editing. Practice using Shift+Drag for selections and the keyboard shortcuts. For precise edits, remember to use the zoom and snap features in Audacity. That's it for Lesson 4. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in for the next lesson.